Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So, have you people understood tenses? The first part of the tenses we have completed, that is simple tense. Yes. Again, I am telling you tenses. So, how many types में tenses is divided? Tenses is divided into three types. First is past, then present, then future. Okay? So, this past, present and future is again subdivided into four, that is simple, continuous, then perfect, then the last one is perfect continuous. Okay, so tenses are of the three: past, present and future. Past means the work which is already completed, present means the work which is going on right now, and the future means the which is going to happen. So in the last video class we have completed about simple tense, means simple present, simple past and simple future we have completed. So today we will start continuous. Okay, simple, present and past, all the three forms we will read today. So here when we are going to read about continuous tense, continuous tense we will be reading, and we in continuous tense means the work which is going on. Okay, the work which is going on, जो हो रहा है. If it is past continuous tense means past we have started and the work is going on. Present, the work is doing, we are doing right now and it is going. And future में the work we will do. Okay, that is future, and that also now and it will be continuing for some days, then that comes under your continuous tense. Okay. So continuous tense में you have all the three, that is past continuous, then present continuous and then future continuous. Okay, these three. And you have understood till here. Today we are going to read about continuous, that is present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. So in continuous tense I want to add one more thing. In our the very previous we have learned about verbs. Do you remember verbs? Verbs may I have told you to be form. Okay, verbs may three forms are there: to be form, to do form, to have form. Okay, so here in continuous tense the verb ka be form will be used. Okay, what is the be form of the verb? What words comes under be form of the verb? You know, is, am, are, was, will. These are the verbs in the be form. Okay, and have form में we have, had, and do form में we have do, did, done, does. Okay, do, did, does. That is the have form, do form. And have form में we have, had. Okay, and be form में we are having is, am, are, was, were. Okay, so in continuous tense, okay, continuous tense में we use be form of the verb plus as we know it is a continuous tense, means the work is going on. So whatever the verb will be there, always remember, if verb is there, verb ko ing form if you will put, then it becomes continuous tense. Okay, for example, if I will say play, I will write playing, dancing, swimming, writing, reading, means the things which we are doing now. Okay, so verb ko if you are putting ing form, then always remember that the verb will become the continuous tense. Okay, now we will see that as we know that this is a be form words, helping verbs. So where we have to use which verb and how we have to use that one we will see. See, is and are will be used in the present tense. Is or am or are. Okay, and was or where will be used for your past tense. Okay, and future tense may only will be or shall be. This is the formula for your continuous tenses. Okay, so now first of all let me make you clear where we use is and are. You people know very well that where we have to use is and are. We have learned this one. For singular, if you are talking about singular noun, then is. If you are talking about plural, then are. And if you are talking about I, then we will have am. Okay, in present tense. Exactly like that only if you are going in the future tense. Past tense. Past tense means singular was, plural were. Okay, so the first of all let us go with the formula of past tense. Okay, so formula for the past tense is subject plus was or were plus verb come ing form plus object. Okay, your subject will be there, was or where will be there, plus verb will be there, and your object will be there. Example, Rohan was playing chess. Rohan subject, because the subject is singular. Okay, because the subject is singular, your helping verb will be was and your verb is play, so it's the ing form plus object. This is your formula. Okay, if here I use the word they, okay, and they as it becomes a plural, it will become they were playing chess. Okay, what it will become? They were playing chess. Is it clear? So now let us move for the present tense. Okay, what is the formula for the present tense? Subject plus is or am or are plus verbs ing form plus object. Okay, and the formula, the sentence for this is Rohan. As we have used singular, Rohan is singular, we use is playing chess. The same thing you can see here. Rohan is playing chess. Rohan was playing chess. Okay? If I will write I, then it will come I am playing chess. If I will write you are playing chess. Okay, so this is the formula for present continuous tense. Present continuous tense में what we will use? Is, am or are. From these three, any one we will use, and because we are changing the sentence into continuous, verb का ing form will come. Okay? Exactly like that when you come to the future tense. When you come to the future tense, subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb का ing form plus object. Rohan will be we will have Rohan will be playing chess. Rohan will be playing chess. Okay? Understood now? So these are the three different forms of continuous tense. Clear? Any doubt regarding this? You people can put it in your box so that I can clear your doubts. Okay? And now to make your things more clear, wherever you can see, but you just only go through that with tense mein he is asking. Okay? And always remember, to everything you people put ing. Don't put ing for everything. Okay? If he is asking for continuous tense, then only you will put ing. Okay? And then you have to see whether it is asking for present, past or future. If the word is having was or were, then it is past. Is, am, are to present. Be is used, then it is the future form. Okay? So to make you more clear about this tense, here I am showing you one small video.
What's happening in this picture? These sentences describe what everyone is doing in the picture. Can you complete them?
Click the word.
Click a word and then click the blank it belongs to. When you're done, click submit. Your time starts now.
Jia is dash a book. The dog is dash the cat. Pasha is dash with the ball.
Well done. Here are the complete sentences. Did you notice that the verbs reading, chasing, and playing all end in ing? These verbs tell us that the action is not complete. It is still continuing, so they are called continuous tenses. Let's find out more about continuous tenses. Click each room to learn more about it. Pasha is eating a peach. Has Pasha finished eating? No, he is still eating. The action of eating is not yet complete. Is eating tells us that the action is continuing. So it is called the continuous tense. Is eating includes the helping verb is, and eating, which is the ing form of the verb eat. Here's another example. Jia was looking for shells. Jia had not finished looking for the shells. The action of looking was not complete. What's the helping verb here? The helping verb is, was, and looking is the ing form of the verb look. Together, was looking forms the continuous tense. Now the sentence Gia looking for shells is not correct. The helping verb is missing. When we add the helping verb was, the sentence is correct. Why is this sentence Gia was look for shells also incorrect? It is incorrect because the ing form of the verb look has not been used. When we change the verb to the ing form looking, the sentence is correct. So the continuous tense is formed only when the ing form of the verb is used with a helping verb. Here are some more examples. The boys are playing cricket. Pasha and Gia are building a sandcastle. They will be swimming in the sea. All these sentences show an action that is still not complete. The helping verbs in these sentences are were, are, and will be. The continuous tense is formed by using these helping verbs with the ing form of the main verbs: playing, building, and swimming. A crab is walking on the beach. Now we know that is walking is the continuous tense. The ing form walking tells us that the action is incomplete. And the helping verb is helps to form the continuous tense. Is also tells us the time of the action. Is tells us that the action of walking is going on now or in the present. So is walking is the present continuous tense. Pasha was painting a picture of the sea. In this sentence, was painting is the continuous tense. How do we know whether this sentence is in the present, past, or future continuous tense? The helping verb tells us the time of the action or the tense. The helping verb was tells us that the action of painting was going on in the past. So, was painting is the past continuous tense. Pasha and Gia will be returning home by train. The helping verb will be and the ing form returning together form the continuous tense. The helping verb will be tells us that the action will be happening sometime later. It is not happening now. It will happen in the future. So, will be returning is the future continuous tense. Here are some more examples. Gia is drinking orange juice. Pasha is bathing in the ponds. They will be eating their sandwiches soon. Remember that the helping verb tells us whether the sentence is in the present, past, or future continuous tense. Listen to the story and read along with it. At the end of the story, you will identify the continuous tenses you have just learned. What's for dinner, mother? Can you guess, Pasha? You're chopping tomatoes. Here's another clue, Pasha. Before that, I was making some dough. I know you're making pizzas for dinner. The tomatoes are for the pizza sauce. You're right, Pasha. I'm making the pizza bread now. Would you like to help? Sure, mother. What should I do? Well, I'm punching the dough now. You can try it too. This is fun, mother. Now I'm rolling out the dough. This size looks fine. meat before you make the pizza, right, Mother? Yes, Pasha. I was planning to add some mushrooms and capsicum. What would you like on your pizza? Plain cheese, please. It smells delicious. I'm waiting for my pizza.
So have you heard the story?
Now try and identify the continuous tenses in the story you just heard. Click the sentence that is in the continuous tense.
You are chopping tomatoes, you chop tomato. Which is the continuous tense? ING form, which one?
The helping verb is are. Chopping is in the ing form of the verb chop, or chopping forms the continuous tense. Click the sentence that is in the continuous tense.
You will make pizzas for dinner. You are making pizzas for
The
dinner.
helping verb is are. Making is the ing form of the verb make. Are making forms the continuous tense. Click the sentence that is in the continuous tense.
I am punching the dove. I punched the dove. Because ING form is
The
there.
helping verb is am. Punching is the ing form of the verb punch. Are punching forms the continuous tense. Identify the tense of the sentence. Click the correct tense.
Father will be coming home soon. Will be coming. Already come ka ING form is there and will be. Where we will use will be?
The
Future.
helping verb will be tells us that the action will be happening in the future. Remember that the helping verb tells us whether the sentence is in the present, past, or the future continuous tense. Identify the tense of the sentence. Click the correct tense.
Was planning to add some mushrooms and capsicum. Was planning. Already planning is continuous tense. Here the helping verb is what. So what type of sentence it is? Present continuous, past continuous or future continuous. As the helping verb is what, it will
The
be.
helping verb was tells us that the action was happening in the past. Remember that the helping verb tells us whether the sentence is in the present, past, or the future continuous tense. Choose the correct option to complete the sentence correctly.
I dash for my pizza. I is waiting, I will waiting or I
And
am waiting.
waiting completes the sentence correctly.
So here this is all about your continuous tense, present, past and future. As it is a continuous tense, it is clear that we have to use ing for the verb and the helping verbs tell us when what is the time of the action. Okay, so I hope you people have understood this. Take care everyone. Bye.